Hello. This will be a demonstration of Proposition 29 from Book 9 of Euclid's Elements, which says that the product of an odd number and an odd number is itself an odd number. We're given two numbers, A and B, each of which are odd. We're also given their product. We're going to call that the number C. So A multiplied by B makes the number C. What we want to prove from all of this is that the number C is itself an odd number. For since A has been multiplied by B to make the number C, it follows just from the definition of multiplication, definition 715, that there are as many units in A as there are B's in C. Put another way, there are A many B's in C. That C is the sum of A many B's. But we know both A and B are odd numbers, and we know that the sum of an odd number of odd numbers is itself an odd number. That's what Proposition 923 tells us. So that because the number C is the sum of an odd number of odd numbers, it is itself an odd number, which is what we set out to prove, which means we're done with the proposition, therefore, etc., QED. Another very simple proposition, how this one works itself out, is say we have the odd number 5, we multiply it by the odd number 3, and we get the number 15 as their product. So what this proposition 929 is going to tell us is that 15 is an odd number. This also just falls simply out of the definition of multiplication, because 5 multiplied by 3 makes the number 15. There are 3 5s that make up 15. Or in other words, 15 is the sum of 3 5s. But we know from Proposition 923 that the sum of an odd number of odd numbers is itself an odd number, so that because 15 is the sum of an odd number 3 of odd numbers 5, we know it itself is an odd number. This also works the other way. 15 is 5 3s. So we could also say, again, from that, 15 is the sum of an odd number of odd numbers. We would just reverse it this time. 15 is the sum of an odd number 5 of odd numbers 3. So again, Proposition 923 tells us that 15 will itself be an odd number. That's all I've got to say about this proposition, so I'll end the video here and move on to Proposition 930.